Hello friends, before me is a Topology, and today I will be setting up IPsec VPN tunnel between this router here and this router here. So I've really come out with the planning, and these are the data I'm going to use to achieve this objective. So without any waste of time, I would like us to configure the routers. I have pre-configured the PCs, as you can see here. This PC have its own IP address already, and this one also, but the routers I'm going to configure them from scratch. Okay, this will be my router 1, and let's get started. So for router 1, I'm going to set this IP address and the name. So I'm going to go to this interface towards the LAN and set this one. Good, that's coming up. So I'm going to configure the gateway of last resort to send every traffic to this interface here. This is my ISP router. Okay, good. Now we're going to go to this ISP router, this interface here, which is 0/0. I will assign this IP address, which is the same subnet with this one here. I'll put router 1 there for clarity. Okay, so we're going to set this interface here, which will be on this subnet. R2. Yep. Then this one that goes to the local network of site B, and the default gateway of last resort on site B. Okay, so basically we have accomplished the basic configurations of these routers. As you can see, let me check. Okay, default gate 1.1. okay, okay, so let's go to this one here. Okay, let's try to ping. Okay, so we can ping the default gateway. Do same here. Okay, good. That is address. So now we're going to create the ISAKMP policy, and we'll do the same for router 2. Good. We'll do the same for router 2. Yeah, so we're gonna do this for on router 1, that side. Okay, let's change this to 1. Now we're going to create crypto IPsec transform set in this direction from 1 to R2, and we'll do the same in the reverse direction. So from R2 to 1, we'll do the same. So we're gonna create the crypto map. I give the name as VPN number 10 IPsec ISAKMP. So I'm going to run it on 1, so the peer will be this network here for this interface, which is 20.1. okay, and then let's see, 1 to 2, set security association lifetime second 86,400 seconds. Let's run this. just trying to catch up with time. Okay, good. Now let's do the same for, so put 10 there and we reverse the direction. Good. So now we are going to, yes, we need to create this access. I was supposed to create this before actually giving it. Let me go to 1 here. Then I'll create this on 2. Okay, so now let me just map it. If it works, then we are good. Interface. Okay, this is turned on. Do the same. Okay, so now let's just check and see if I'm going to, let me come here. So I can see some configuration here. Okay, let me ping and let's see if it's getting some encryption, if traffic is being encrypted. So I'm going to ping. This is 2.10 for PC on site 2. Let's see if that will ping. Okay, it's pinging now. Let me ping from this side too. Ping. .1.10. So from side B, we're pinging side A. Let me run that command again. As you can see, we got some traffic encapsulated, 7 packet encrypted, 7 packet de-encapsulated, and 7 packet decrypted. So you see we are getting IPsec traffic. Okay, so you can see the mapping. So you can see the configuration is completed, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share. Thank you so much. I see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.